friends, let's learn about our solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest planet to the sun. Mercury has extreme temperatures because it is so close to the sun and because it has almost no atmosphere. The sunny portion of the planet has a temperature of 800 degrees. The other side of the planet has negative 300 degrees. Ouch! Mercury planet is named for the Roman god. Mercury, the fastest of all gods.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is a little smaller than Earth, it has no rings around it, no moons, and it spins backward. This means that on Venus, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east, which is opposite to Earth. Venus has days that are longer than a year. Venus is hotter than Mercury. Venus contains more than 1,600 active volcanoes, and Venus was named after the Roman goddess of love.
Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth was formed 4.7 billion years ago. A day was only about 6 hours long. Since then, the Earth has slowed down. It takes longer to spin around every 100 years. The day gets 0.0017 seconds longer. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to support life. This is because it has two very important things. Things that living creatures need to survive. Lots of oxygen and lots of water. Earth is the only planet in our solar system not to be named after a Greek god.
Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It takes Mars 687 days to orbit the Sun. Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system. Did you know that the month of March is named after Mars?
Jupiter is the fifth planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is massive. It is so big that more than 1,300 Earths would fit into it. Jupiter has actually got loads and loads of moons circling around it. In fact, there are 63 moons. The thick, colorful clouds that surround Jupiter are deadly, poisonous gases. We certainly won't be visiting there with the massive hurricanes and poisonous gases. No, thank you.
Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system. Saturn has a set of 7 rings. Saturn is the windiest planet in our solar system, which has winds that may reach up to speeds of 1,100 miles per hour. Saturn is the king of moons. It has 146 moons. One day on Saturn takes 10.7 hours. Imagine if you could put Saturn in a glass of water. It would actually float as its density is lower than the density of water. Isn't that so cool?
Uranus is the seventh planet in our solar system. This planet is called the ice giant. Uranus is surrounded by a set of 13 rings and 28 moons. Uranus gets its blue and green color from methane gas in its atmosphere. A day on Uranus is only about 17 hours. which is shorter than a day on Earth. But Uranus takes 84 Earth years to go around the sun. That's a long time. Which this means that each of its poles are in daylight for 42 years and in darkness for 42 years. Can you imagine living in darkness for 42 years?
Neptune is our 8th planet and the furthest planet from the Sun. It would take 12 years space journey to get from Earth to Neptune. Due to its beautiful color, Neptune was named after the Roman god of the sea, Poseidon. Neptune is the coldest and windiest planet in our solar system. Neptune orbits the Sun over every 165 years.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye!